you had really bad neck pain for
Yes.
a long time.
Neck and shoulder.
Neck and shoulders. Yeah, it was like
That's
going
right.
down,
Yeah.
radiating down.
Yep,
And then I gave you one of our Fisher tractions.
that's right.
So what happened for your neck? What happened? Tell us about it.
Well, I started using it every day, so for 10 minutes. And right away, I felt that release of tension from the neck area, from the shoulder area. And now I use it 3 times a week or when I need it
Awesome.
to help with the tension. Absolutely.
Fantastic. So along with some of your adjustments, but that was, the Fisher traction was the thing that really pushed you over
It was
past the
key.
point of the pain.
That's
Was the
right.
key.
Yes.
Fantastic.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Now, would you recommend to other people that they should try it and use it?
Most definitely. Anyone that has trouble with tension in the neck, shoulder, I absolutely recommend it.